what's up my people? What's up my friends, YouTube family, everybody, what's up man? Alright, welcome back to Jamaican Anglers Fishing, you know. Yeah man, but this morning is not about fishing at all. This morning is just a little update about what is happening and why I haven't been posting any videos, you know. I know that it's a long time now I haven't been posting any videos. There's nothing at all, I don't have any content. I have one video working on right now, but I can't get to go out and do anymore because I have to be torn from the hospital, you know, because mommy is not well, you know, so I have to be back and forth from the hospital trying to see that everything runs right, that she have everything. And furthermore, there's no vibe, you know. There's no vibe to go out and do any form of fishing at all because, you know, when something like this happens, you know, mommy don't have anybody else to jump around her like you know, how I jump around her, you know, because nobody else is here. My two brothers gone, my father gone, my uncles, some of them gone, some is away, some of them abroad, you know. So basically it's just me alone now, and I've been running up and down, you know. All the rest of young ones, all the rest of family members are young, they don't understand how to deal with these things, you know. So I have to be the one to be running up and down and doing all sort of stuff, you understand me? So I can't get to go out and do any form of fishing at all, right? But guys, still stick around man, still stick around, you know, watch the videos and just hang on for a little while and bear with me for a little while, because I'm coming back out, you know, because mommy doing better now, much better, and they said that she'll be coming out soon. So I don't know which day, but soon she's coming out. So when she come out and things are alright, then I get back out there, back on the adventures. You understand me? So just bear with me for a while man and watch the old videos and stuff like that. You know what I mean? I have a lot of videos out there. Probably some of the newcomers them don't watch all of the videos them as yet. So search and search until you find one of them and you can watch. All of my videos are entertaining, so anyone you want to watch, you can watch them in the meantime till I get back out. Alright, so just a quick update on what is happening. So take care guys, God bless, and I'll see you guys when I get back out there. Alright, so go out and catch some fish, you know, throw some line man, enjoy yourself, life is fun. Alright, so see you guys when I get back out. Fish on every time.